Hi angels, it's your girl Heaven with another new video. Welcome back. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, my name is Heaven and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to do a neutral look with a pop of color. Alright, now we're going to begin. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pick up a flat packing brush. Now this is a natural hair brush, so it's good for packing on color and also blending it in. So the first color that we're going to dip into is this centermost shade in the 35O palette, which is a lovely brown.
It's pretty. Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Alright, now that brown has been set down, this is a more tapered blending brush, and I'm going to dive into this cool toned peachy tan color, and we're going to run this directly across this harsh line and blend it out. Alright, now I'm going to take an even smaller blender brush and I'm going to dive into one of the darkest shades in this palette. And this is going to go more towards the outer portion and the inner portion.
You have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I?
Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the product, just going to press it in where I want it to go, and then with the remaining product that I have already on my brush, I'm just going to use it to connect the two at the very top. Now for an even more pop of color, I'm going to add this burnt brick color. Remember we did this before? Brick red, brick orange. It's a brick color, and with the same precise brush, I'm going to run it along that brown line, just a little bit outside of that brown line, just to give it that nice gradient effect. All right, now to cut the crease, I'm actually gonna use a lip brush. I know, right? And then I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just gonna hold my breath and hope for the best.
Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I?
I'm gonna go back to this bigger shader brush, and I'm gonna dip into that burnt orange color, brick orange, burnt orange,
whatever.
and I'm going to apply this directly on that line where the concealer meets that shadow.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come.
All right, next I'm going to be picking up a shimmer color, and I want it to be as close to this middle burnt orange color that I can get it. So we're gonna dive into this really pretty, like copperish color. Oh my god, I live for this color. Okay, and this is going directly next to it.
Never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
And now for the most center point of this spotlight cut crease, we're gonna take it there with some trophy wipe. So I already applied some setting spray to my brush. I'm gonna dive right in.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I, baby, why do I?
All right, let's begin smoking out the lower lash line. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Eye Studio in Blackest Black. So while I am putting in this work, why don't you subscribe to my channel, become an angel. All right, let's get it. added the black gel liner, but before we add the pop of color, I'm going to do a quick 1, 2, 3 finger magic. You guys ready? Let's do it. Alright, for the pop of color, like I said, I'm going to go in with a blue liner. Just going to warm it up really quickly on my hand. Jesus, look at that. Oh, hi. Okay, and then waterline.
Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Alright, the last and final step, of course, is mascara on the lower lash line. And this is Ulta Beauty's Plush Drama Volumizing Mascara, my all-time favorite.
In your words, tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the way you always leave me. Why do I, baby, why do I? Love the touch but never love the feeling.
Alright, let's just put some gloss on for the lips. And that is it. Actually, no gloss. I'm actually really liking the way it is right now. That is it for today's pop of color. If you enjoyed what you've seen today, even just half, don't forget to shoot me a big thumbs up and comment down below. I'm actually thinking of turning this pop of color into a series. So let me know if you guys want that on this channel. That's it. Love you guys. See you on the next one. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.